Okay, put a new battery in the dumb GoPro. Is there any reason why the company died? No. Failure to innovate, in my personal opinion, but here we go. As I was saying before, yep, you're still recording. Heard the noise coming out of it. Turns out the transmission was a little dry. We'll see if this helps a little bit. I'm not sure I can reach the choke with the way the car is, so we're going to try to start it without it. Ugh, okay, there we go. I think I got it. I'm not sure what that noise is. I don't know what that noise is. I don't know. That's odd. God, it sounds like it's almost sounds like it's sucking air from somewhere. I guess it could be from one of these things. I mean, well, that's just heat. This is heat. That's heat. That's PVC and the carburetors. I don't think I have anything open, and if I did have a vacuum leak that freaking big, I think it wouldn't even run as well as it does. It doesn't run half bad. It's just nothing's been tuned yet, so I just don't get it at all. At all. It sure shit sounds like it's coming from the carburetors though. I guess I could put this on, see what it does, see what it sounds like. Yeah, we're still deep around here. I'm gonna have to take this one off anyway. Motherfucker, this one's damp too. And I cleaned everything on it too. Oh, tickety tock. I might be able to try putting them on. That's not going to quiet it down that much.